Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Let's Grow. I hope you all are very fine and doing great in your lives. So today's topic of discussion is meander cutoff and formation of Oxbow Lake. So without wasting any time, let us start our discussion. The meander cutoff is the result of progressive meandering in rivers. So in the last lectures we have discussed about the meandering of rivers, that how and why the meandering happen in the rivers. So these meander cutoff are the results of the meandering in rivers. As the river slowly migrates downstream, the meandering loops of river shifts in transverse direction at a difference rate due to the non-uniform erosion rates near the banks. As we have discussed, that meandering caused due to the turbulence or disturbance caused into the river, that whenever a bank is more attacked by the river or is more affected by the river, then the meandering process start in the river. Because if the erosional process is more at one bank with respect to the other bank, then the river will start to move or start to meander at that site. So let us see the images of this meander cutoffs for the better understanding. So this is the stage 1 where river is flowing like this. You can see that this is a meandering type of river because of the sinus curve here. Now what will happen in the second stage? In second stage it is flowing in the same pattern, but what you can observe here, that these banks are more encroached at this point, because as the flow is taking place here in the river, it will try to erode the inside of the bank here and here. So these both points or these both location in the river is try to encroach each other. And in the third stage, what you can see, it is coming more closer to each other. And in the future what will happen, as we all see, that water always choose the path to flow for the least resistance or least friction. So whenever a flood event occur, water will not go through this complete river like this. It will not go into the bend, but it will choose another path like this one, this cutoff, this straight one. So water will try to move along this cutoff and it will not flow here. So this one cutoff will become the active channel and the other part will become the dead channel. There will be no flow in this meander. And in the later stage what you will see, that the river will become like this. This one become active channel, and this is the formation of Oxbow Lake. This is the complete cutoff where there is no supply of water from the river, and this will become a lake that is known as the Oxbow Lake. The other image you can see here, this is showing the meandering loops of a river showing potential cutoff by broken lines. So what you can see here, this is a topography image, or what you can say, image from the satellite, or by using some drone or helicopters you can take these images. Now you can say that the river is flowing in a meander curve, and what you can see here, that these 2 points are going to join in the later stage, which we have joined from the red dotted line. So if you see this river after 5 years or say 10 years or in the later stage, these 2 points will be joined to each other and river will be flowing in this straight reach, and there will be no water in this meander. This will become the Oxbow Lake. Other critical point you can see here, that this location also can cause the formation of Oxbow Lake, that in future this will join to the river, and this complete meander is going to become a Oxbow Lake. There will be no flow of water in this meander. So this is how you can locate the critical location where there are some chances of oxbow, formation of oxbow lake. The other thing you can do here, you can simply do the dredging also. Dredging means the excavation of soil so that you can make the river stretch in a simpler way, or what you can say that if you want to make the river join like this and you want that water should not flow into this complete meander, you can simply join it by doing some excavation in this red dotted zone. So here is some graphics through which you can better understand the formation of oxbow lake. This is the stage 1 where river is flowing like this. In the later stage it will move outwards from its bank. In stage 3 you can see here it is moving more outside, it is going like this. Stage 5, stage 6, stage 7, stage 8, stage 9. So you can see here in stage 8 these two locations are coming so close that whenever a high discharge will pass through the river, it will join this directly from here. So it will cause the formation of meander cutoff. This is the formation of oxbow lake. This is called as oxbow lake, which is caused due to the meandering cutoff, and these are the meander scats, and this is the oxbow cutoff. So again you can see this complete process through graphics. Stage 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So oxbow lake, how this oxbow lake forms due to the meander cutoff. So I hope you find this video very interesting and useful. If you really like this video, hit that like button, subscribe our channel Let's Grow for more such type of informative videos. Thank you to watch this video till the end. Okay, take care. Bye bye.